Happy Jones here from Planning with Happy J, and today I'm going to do something I haven't done for a show. I haven't filmed for a while. I've done it, but haven't filmed it. Is my everyday carry, and which is my mini, and I use just a couple months in it, and it's very thin, as you could see, so it's very lightweight in my purse. And then I put it back into my regular mini when I'm done. So anyhow, we're doing July 6th to July 12th. And I have these little dates which just work out perfectly for me. And they were given to me by my great-grandkids. And where's my tweezers? Okay. And I think this shade is going to go the best. And I want 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's put these away. And now I'll just quick open Monday the 6th, Tuesday the 7th, Wednesday the 8th, and 12. Now, I got a couple crooked here, so let me just straighten those out a little bit. And this one here could be straightened. Well, I didn't straighten it very much. There, that's better. Now, keeping with the July 4th mood, I'm gonna go down here and put that there. And let's put this corner one, if I can get it. It started to rip. That's the thing you have to be careful with these. Oh. It won't look right that way. It's meant to go like this. Well, there goes my plans. That looks a little funny. Now for my boxes. And let's put something on the top. Where were those flowers again? Let's put this flag. Is that a ring? Oh no, it's part of the drawing of the flag. And let's get back to the dots. Now those are big dots. Where are the boxes? They should be smaller ones. So let's put 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now for my appointments. I have, let's see, I have an appointment on the 6th, the 7th, and the 10th. So, let's do this here, the 10th. I have my standing dance lessons on the 10th, and the 7th, and the 6th. All right, those are my set appointments at this point in my week. Now, what do I want to put down here? Let's see. Let's put Home of the Brave. I like that. And these are pretty big stickers for me to put in my little mini. And I don't want to cover up the whole page because I never know what's going to come up. Here's a couple small ones. Let me just go ahead and pull out a couple small stickers. I don't know how I'll use this, but I like it. And I want to put this little flag somewhere too. Let's put the flag on Wednesday. And let's put whatever these are up here. Well, I know I won't be going anywhere Saturday and Sunday. Because I do my videos that weekends. And sometimes it goes into Monday. Now, I think that's about it. Except I may want to do something up there. I should put a little flower over here somewhere. I don't have any florals. Only where could I put it? I know what I'll do. I'll cut it in half. And I'll find some place. But first, I'm noticing that this is very crooked. that looks better. Now, will this fit into Thursday? I'm going to have to cut part of it off. A little bit more. There. And what could I put up here? Let's try this little bouquet of flowers here. There. Okay, there's my mini. Thank you for watching, and bye.